So I'm here in Texas, a little vacation, and a little different, doing some submarine stuff. And I wanted to do a bunch more videoing of my submarine, but hold on. Had issues. Let me back this up. I got it out in the water and went to take off, and it's unfortunate but fortunate. I didn't assemble this, but this grub screw right here was not tight enough, and it's just quit propelling through the water. So while we were out there, we had some guys with some surface boats that were able to shove me back in. Well, as it turns out, if I was sinking, I was taking water in my watertight cylinder. So I fixed this issue. Now I've got to find out the rest of my problems with the watertight cylinder leaking yet again. Anyway, I've got some video here of Sub Ed and his models, and then out at the lake when we were trying to have a little fun. It was cold, kind of miserable, but it was good hanging out with the guys. Anyway, I'll get back with you. No, just had it, but I am sneaking a peek at your boats.
Regardless, before you get too crazy, you come here quick.
Here's Ed's Enterprise with all the bells and whistles. Where's all the bridge noises?
Oh, I know, right?
It even has a Galileo in the shuttle bay, but that's
Did I put
pretty
it back
accurate.
on?
You did, but it's okay. It's okay.
No, I don't.
Here's the Galileo in the shuttle bay.
I've got two more flying in formation as she's in orbit. Wouldn't that be cool if that was real life?
Yeah, it would be.
Second print during the winter. I
Yeah.
bought a second enclosure for this guy, but
Okay.
yeah, here's the torpedo launch mechanism.
So is this the same Seaview that
Yes.
Bob's working on?
Yeah, I had that since 1990.
Okay. So Ed, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? I'm putting this on video.
Yeah, I'm muzzle loading the two torpedoes.
We're out here in Texas. My Oklahoma City was a major bust, but Ed's Shark has been just running along, and he's got two torpedoes ready to launch. We'll get to watch them here in a minute.
I'm going to swing it towards us. And now either I'm back. You got the video rolling? I'm about to.
I do.
You didn't get the phone out. I'm going to do Williams. We're hot.
There's a target. There's a convenient target right there, Ed.
Oh yeah, I got the phone out. I turned like out to say. Well, the rule is this. If by some freaking nature I hit one of your craft, that craft got to come out. That's right. Yeah, that's right. No, I'm coming at us. All right, now I'm on my final approach.
For weapon recovery.
Okay. Thank you. That's been a trip for me. Yes, it is. Oh, there we go. I had a misfire tube too. Oh, the other one. No, misfire. Misfire? Yeah. Now, how do we get the torpedoes back? The help of my friend.
So we had two misfires. So it was really unfortunate that Ed's torpedoes didn't work right and my sub didn't work right. But hopefully we'll have better luck in the future on a warmer day. Anyway, hope you liked the video. I'll come out with my regular Friday video about the A-26 on Friday. Please like, share the video, comment, subscribe, all the stuff that goes along with YouTube. Thanks for watching.